Scrappy friends. I have an unboxing today that I'm very excited about. This unboxing is for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club. So it's a new kit club, newer kit club, and here's the cute little logo. And the deal is that it's for scrapbooking kits, supplies, etc. that aren't necessarily just for girls. You know how 90% of scrapbooking is butterflies and rainbows and pretty pastels and all that kind of stuff, which I do love, but this is going in a slightly different direction. And I've been looking for something like this because I actually have to work a little too hard to scrapbook pictures of my son and my husband. My dogs, not so much. They're cute and squishy and they're my babies. Anywho, so let me show you what it is. This is how it comes in this handy dandy pizza box, which is great for storing other scrappy supplies. Then we have this great tissue paper and this twine, which I do love this kind of twine, so that is going to be set aside. Oh, and let me show you too. There was a couple of goodies that I really liked that were in the store that weren't in this kit. I picked up the American Crafts Thickers in Cedar. They are foam with the cardstock overlay, and it's kind of just like a medium tan on the sides. So those are super cool, and look at how nice and skinny that font is. And look at all of those R's. You know I always run out of R's. So I picked those up. Those are not in the kit. I picked these up because they were too cool. These are metal gears. I mean, how awesome is that? Those are so cool. And they're in a few different colors. There's gold. This is a little bit more of a bronze. I mean, wait, there's silver. There's 4 colors. Oh, and look at, there's a gear. Let me see if you can see it. Can you see that one? Oh, wait, I know that's blurry. Okay, it has a little heart. So cute. Okay, back to the kit. All right, so I have that, and the other thing I picked up with was this adorable sequin mix. It is wood grain, a nice slate blue, which I call Union Soldier Blue, itty bitty little stars, and a couple different sizes of white sequins that come without the hole in them. And it looks like the wood grain sequins are a couple different sizes as well. That's really cool. Love that, so I had to have it. All right, back to the kit. Okay, comes with this great tissue paper, which I do like tissue paper for layering, so I'm gonna keep that towards my kit too. Okay, we have, looks like embellishments on top, but I like to do paper first. So let me take this out, get my box put aside, my handy dandy box, handy dandy twine put aside, and let's open this up. Keep these bags. These are so great for making your own kits with later and for storage. So keep the cool bags because seriously, they're so useful. All right, come on. There we go. Putting my little bag aside because I know that when I'm creating with this, I'll be putting it into one of my IKEA containers. All right, I don't even want to look at my goodies yet because I get too into that. Okay, let's look at, oh, don't want to see that yet. Is there something else? Okay, let's take a look at what we have here as we go. Oh, One Canoe 2. I love me some One Canoe 2. Like, really love One Canoe 2. This is One Canoe 2 Goldenrod, and it's called Midnight Forest. This is gorgeous. So it's like a top view, I'm sorry, a bottom view looking up. That is awesome. Ooh, and this side is, oh my, even that is awesome. All right, this side you're getting a really nice kind of watercolor, kind of mucky plus sign. That's awesome. I'm gonna start with the A sides. Doesn't mean we're gonna stay on the A sides. I'm gonna start with the A sides. All right, the next piece I have is Echo Park from Dots and Stripes and Honey Stripe. So that's a really nice, gosh, it's not butter. It's not butter yellow. I'm going to say like a daffodil yellow. So that's awesome. Oh, and the other side is white with that deeper yellow color. So depending on what you are doing, if you want to bring in more white, you can. All right, so I'm going to go like that for A sides again. Next, it is Jen Hadfield Patio Party in Panels. This looks just like my kitchen floor when I was a kid. what was this called? These panels of the wood. It'll come to me. But yes, I had that. And I love wood grain. Give me wood grain all day, every day. I'm happy. Ooh, and the other side has tons of little words, which is awesome. And they are on wood grain, and it's slightly off white. That is cool. Really nice little branding strip. Oh, this feels good. If you're into the texture of certain papers, this feels good. All right, it's Bow Bunny Double Dot in Burnt Orange Vintage. Oh my word, that is stunning. It's textury and heavy. Look at, it's heavy and textured. On the other side is a much fancier kind of a pattern. It's definitely like distressed on the sides and all that, and lighter in the middle, and a lot more intricate. Cool. Okay, polka dots. Next, I have Heidi Swap Wolfpack in Woodland. I didn't have this paper. I did have a little bit of the Wolfpack. Didn't have this. It's in Woodland, and it's a nice tone-on-tone navy with the all the leafy bits. Cool. Oh no. And the other side is a birch tree. That is awesome. Nice branding strip there. So let me turn it like this, because I'll do it A and B sides, because that's fun, pretty much, because it's fun to do. Okay, this is Echo Park Adventure Awaits in Fireflies. Really great plaid. Just a really great plaid to use. Such an easy background to use. Oh, and this side has fireflies, lightning bugs, whatever you call them in your region. That is so cool. Wonder if I have any summer picks left to do. All right, we have Adventure Awaits again, and this is intense. All kinds of great pine trees on this side, tone on tone again, so it makes it great for background. And tense, intense, intense, intense. That is so cute. You know what this would be awesome for? This would be awesome for a Renaissance fair. And then, oh my, I have 2 specialty papers in this kit. 2, not just 1, but 2. Okay, Jen Hadfield Gold Dots. All right, so it is a nice champagne gold, and it's on off-white. So that's working really well with this paper right here, and it's metallic without being like overly in-your-face metallic. That's awesome. And now look at this one. I'm going to take this out because I think we have to check out the texture in this. Sorry about the crinkly bits, guys. Sorry about the crinkly bits. Crinkly bits are going to have to happen this time. Now, I saved the packaging for this as well to do mixed media. So use everything, because why not? It's yours. So this is American Crafts specialty paper in printed burlap. Awesome. So, oh, there's a handy dandy little chipboard sheet. I might use some of that. I'm not sure. That's not even a paper, but you know, I use everything. I do. Okay, so this is printed burlap, and it is on a really light piece of craft paper. Oh, I'm excited about the texture I'm going to get out of that. That's awesome. Okay, next. Next. It occurred to me I didn't show you the B-sides of these papers, so I wanted to pop back on really quickly and do that. All right, so I'm going to take out my specialty paper and my specialty burlappy paper thing. Okay, A-sides of these gorgeous papers. And let's do a little flip-de-doo so you can see the B-side. Let's go like that. So, really, you can use them any which way. A lot of times I'm a B-side girl. This time, it's a mixed bag for me. Okay, I'm going to get creating. I got a full sheet of Adventure Awaits element stickers by Echo Park. There are these awesome banners, cool tree fort, guy in a ship. So this looks just like Maurice Sendak. That is awesome. Where the Wild Things Are, which was one of my favorite books as a kid. Really great border strips, guys in a maroon truck. There's a Yeti, cute. I like this word wonder. That is super cool. Super cool sticker sheet. We got another, wait, oh, that's cool. Okay, this is another sticker sheet. It is by Reminisce, and it's called Happy Camper. And these are these super thick, like super thick stickers. Those are really awesome. Those are gorgeous. Look, it says camp, I love camping, family, where life begins and love never ends. Collect moments, not things. I like that. Life is better at the lake. I have pictures for that. Get out, explore. Okay, all right, I'm excited. The next thing in this kit is an awesome, there's two actually, crinkles again. There are two different Ever So Fantabulous, let's see, die cut apart things. This one is a cool like Scout fleur-de-lis. This is the Scout kit, by the way. And then we have this adventure word, which is awesome, but I feel like backing it. I really want to back it. That is gorgeous. So I like that it's not just cut out in white this time, because this has a lot of depth in the kit. And this is awesome to put a title in right there. Like pop it up and put a title in. Be ever so grand. So that's in there. Oh, and by the way, this piece of paper that it came with it, this is kind of like a concrete gray green. Totally using that too. Okay, next we've got this great fiber that is in here. Oh, and it's stapled ever so cute. So it's navy and just an absolutely great bright yellow. Matches stunningly with that. So I have a nice little piece of trim. Not just for Boys Kit Club. I have 3 patches. Oh, and by the way, they have like a no waste packaging thing that is the bee's knees. So you get your package, right? Cool little bits here. And you can use the front side of this. You can just put something on top of that, like a little badge or something, if you want to use that wood piece. And you can also cut out these labels and use them as layering pieces. I know, it's exciting, isn't it? I have a couple more of those to show you, but I'm gonna count that as an embellishment. So I have a tent patch. Like these are actual like strong, nice fabric patches. It looks like a rope tying badge and a hiking badge. How awesome is that? So I've got those 3. Cool. My alpha, it's American Crafts. It is in craft. It's a thickers and it's called Maggie. So it's craft with just a very simple white line going through each of the letters. I've got some R's. I've got some numbers, which is great. Little plus signs. I love using those as extra embellishments. Cool. And now we have these, and these are great. They're called stickers, but they are like epoxy words and little pieces. So I have adventure, travels, discover. Oh, did I say Heidi Swap? I love all things Heidi Swap. Adventure, travels, discover, ultimate, explore, and epic. So, and you see here that like there's different color stars, bullseyes, and I've got a couple of arrows. Oh, and this world piece. So that is awesome. Extra little bits to put on. And the last thing that is in this kit, which is crazy cool. Oh, wait, I showed you that. Let me show you this. Okay, on the back of this cute little fella here is another little card that you can use. There's a banner piece and this card you can use. So whichever way you're feeling it, this is a great way to start a cluster. And then once again, you have this really great grid. Let me try to get these little guys out and kind of decide how to show you them. They're metal charms. These are all in silver, which is cool. I'm going to show you on this little guy. Or maybe I can show you on my hand. Okay. Let's see if it wants to. All right, so I have a compass. Oh, look at this little charm. It says camping. Oh my word, a tent. Look at this, a little tiny campfire. The fleur-de-lis, like a scout one. A moose, a little moose backpack. And you guys have no idea how exciting this is, a grizzly. Why is it exciting? Because I have a plan for one of the layouts with my youngest daughter's sports team. They're hiking in the mountains, and they're the Golden Grizzlies. I am so excited about that. Oh, and he just went flying. Okay, that's my kit today. I hope you like what I have to play with, and I'll be back ever so soon with the layout from this kit. Goodbye, friends.